In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful, and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, 8th class. Welcome to online class again. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 11 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are from English A, we shall do chapter number 4, an exhibition, and we shall do exercise D and text question. Then after it we shall do use of is, am, are, was and were, and we shall do exercise 1 and exercise 2. First of all, we shall do chapter number 4 an exhibition exercise D. This exercise is related to articles. First of all, we shall discuss what are articles. Articles are the words which are used before noun and which modifies nouns. Modifies noun means which tells us more about the noun, which describes the more. So these are the words which are used before noun and that modifies noun. Its function is same as an adjective. These may be specific or general, and the articles are a and the. Now we shall discuss the types of articles. Actually, there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. First of all, definite article. It is used before a noun to define it as something unique or specific. You can easily see in the example. Example is in front of us. I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. Now here is the article the is showing that the apple is specific. It shows that the apple which is at first position, that apple he or she wants to eat. This is specific that he or she wants to eat that apple. Now indefinite article. The indefinite article contrast with the definite article that are a and an, which defines something unspecific, something as general, which defines something as generic and something mentioned for the first time. You can see in the example, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. There is not specific apple. It simply said that there is a group of apple and he or she wants to eat one apple. So the definite articles are unique and specific, whereas the indefinite articles are unspecific or general. Now we shall discuss where we have to use an and where we have to use a. There are two types of sounds. The first one is vowel sound and the second one is consonant sound. There are five vowel sounds. You always say that A, E, I, O, U, but these are the alphabets. The actually sounds are A, E, O, U. These are the five vowel sounds. We can also make one sound with the combination of these two alphabets. Then there are 21 consonants and we have to use a with it. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, kwa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya, za. These are the consonant sounds. These are not the alphabets. These are consonant sounds. So we have to use and with vowel sounds and we have to use a with consonant sounds. Now here are some examples related to these two sounds. On the left side there are the words of related to and on the right side there are the words related to a, where we have to use a. An art. There is a sound, so we have to use an here. An enemy. There is the combination of a and e. There will be a, so this is also vowel sound. An enemy. An ice cream. A is there, so we have to use an here. An orange. A is there, so we have to use an here. An umbrella. A is also there, we have to use an here. So we have to focus on the sounds. We will not focus on the alphabets. Okay, then on the right side there is boy. Ba sound is there, so we have to use a here. Woman, va sound is there, so we have to use a here. Horse, ha sound is there, so we have to use a here. Book, ba sound is there, so we have to use ba here, a book. So these are the words which are related to consonant and vowels. Now one thing keep in mind that there can be the alphabets of consonant, but these are vowels. We have to use an here. On the left side there is written an honor. There is H but the sound is O, honor. So we have to use an according to the sound O, honor. We have to use an here. On the right side there is European. Ya sound is there, there is E but the sound is Ya. The sound is consonant. So we have to use A here. University, there is U, that is alphabet of vowels, but there is sound Ya. A university. We have to use A here. So these are the vowels and consonant sounds related to an and a.
This is exercise D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. The first sentence is my grandmother likes dash flowers very much. Flowers are not singular, so we cannot write a and an. Flowers are not specific, so we cannot write the. So the correct option will be D, that is none. Second sentence is their car does 150 miles dash or is there, so there is or sound and we have to write and with that sound, so the correct option will be B. The third sentence is I always listen to dash radio in the morning. There is one specific radio that the person always listen, so we have to write the here. The fourth sentence is your mother working in dash old office building? There is one specific old office where the mother working, so we have to write the here. The fifth sentence, where's dash USB drive I lent you last week? There is one specific USB drive that he wants to know that where is that, so we have to write the here.
Now we shall do text questions of chapter number 4 and exhibition.
Here are the text questions. Question number 1 is, what is Akbar's hobby? The answer will be, Akbar's hobby is painting. Question number 2, why did Mr. Kazi ask Salim to bring his collection of stamps? Answer will be, Mr. Kazi asked Salim to bring his collection of stamps to boost his confidence. Question number 3, who wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition? Answer will be, Kashif wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition. Question number 4, who introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students? The answer will be, Mr. Kazi introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students. Now we shall do use of is, am, are, was and were, exercise number 1. Here is exercise 1. The first sentence is हम सब मुसलमान हैं. We are all Muslims. Ahmad दलेर सिपाही है. This is in present tense and Ahmad is singular, so we have to use is here. Ahmad is a bold soldier. कुत्ता और घोड़ा वफादार जानवर है. Now these are plural, so we have to use are here and this is present tense. Dog and horse are faithful animals. हर पाकिस्तानी मुहब्बे वतन है. Every Pakistani is a patriot. वो मुअज़्ज़ज़ शहरी थे. They were respectable citizens. लाहौर बागात के लिए मशहूर है. लाहौर इज फेमस फॉर गार्डन्स. क्या वो कल बीमार था? This is interrogative, so we have to use the helping verb at the start of the sentence and this is past because there is tha at the end of the sentence. So we have to select from was and were. He is singular, so we have to use here was. Was he ill yesterday? Question mark. आज बहुत से तालिब इल्म क्यों गैर हाजिर हैं? Q is showing that this is double interrogative. So we have to use first of all interrogative pronouns. The English of Q is why, so we have to write why. Then helping verb are. So many students absent today? Question mark. तुम्हारी टीम के खिलाड़ी कहाँ हैं? Where are the players of your team? Question mark. क्या अमीर आदमी गरीबों पर मेहरबान था? Was the rich man kind to the poor?
वो आपका क्या लगता है? What is he to you? एक दर्जन अंडे खराब थे. 1 dozen eggs were rotten. क्या सब सवाल आसान थे? वर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इजी? ये खिलौना खूबसूरत न था? दिस टॉय वॉज नॉट ब्यूटिफुल? टीपू सुल्तान आदिल हुक्मरान था? टीपू सुल्तान वॉज अ जस्ट रूलर?
Now, exercise number 2.
क्या इस शहर में कोई हाई स्कूल है? इज देयर एनी हाई स्कूल इन दिस सिटी? क्या अमजद दयानतदार आदमी है? इज अमजद एन ऑनेस्ट मैन? क्या वो माहीगीर न था? वॉज ही नॉट अ फिशरमैन? मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू। उसके दोनों भाई वकील थे। बोथ ऑफ हिज ब्रदर्स वर लॉयर्स। पाकिस्तान का सबसे लंबा दरिया कौन सा है? विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान? केटू कितनी ऊंची चोटी है? हाउ हाई इज द टॉप ऑफ केटू? बसों के अड्डे पर कितनी बसें हैं? हाउ मेनी बसेस वर देयर ऑन द बस स्टॉप? उसके रिश्तेदार क्यों नाराज थे? वाई वर हिज रिलेटिव्स एंग्री? क्या मोटर कारें सब खराब थी? वर ऑल मोटर कार्स आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
तालिब इल्म झूठा ना था. Now this is negative, so we have to write the not after the helping verb. So the sentence will be the student was not a liar. क्या ये खबर सच्ची है? Is this piece of news true? ये सवाल बहुत पेचीदा था. This question was very complicated. क्या तमाम सवाल मुश्किल थे? Were all the questions difficult? डॉक्टर कब अस्पताल में था? When was the doctor in the hospital?
Now, this is your home task. Learn exercise D and text questions. Learn exercise 1 and 2 of use of is, am, are and was were, and after that you will write review exercise. This review exercise is after the fourth chapter. You have to do it yourself because these are from the first four chapters and we had done first four chapters very clearly.
Now, I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed in this lecture. Now, I am signing out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.